Ew. Sanibona. Beautiful ladies.
And handsome gents.
Nasindeni umkonde emaceleni. Shift. Ngiyadlala. Adlala bakuyini
Ah, crap.
Bazukhaleke la umdala nentshebe. Sebafethu, we back. Today we're reacting to Handcuffed to Angela Linda for 24 hours.
Boom.
Hey guys, look, I'm not on YouTube, Ovii or whatever. But
it's Ovii. Ovii.
Oh shit, throwback.
Yeah.
I was better than girls at that game actually.
We all.
Literally
every guy was better than girls at that game.
I
think it's kind of a sport, so you know, yeah. Obviously, women suck at sports.
What in the end rotation is going on? That's how many times you put us.
It's true.
After.
Yeah. I saw this other video on Twitter. Yeah. Like the girls were playing basketball, but they were wearing a G-string.
Oh, I've seen that.
Like, oh, I'm like, shit.
This is the real WNBA
this
again.
Is the only way the NBA can make money. Like, it's because y'all niggas have pride. You don't listen. But yeah. Yeah, we handcuffed.
Yeah. Ain't got a call for she got good brain, no drama. She need a scholarship. Listen to T. You feel me?
Guys, so today I will be handcuffed to Angela.
No, you're
24
not.
hours.
No, he's not.
Some might think it's unfortunate, some might think it's unfortunate.
Most must
Yeah, I love poor.
Think it's fortunate.
Maybe this may be our last video because she might annoy me.
If you know how I feel, why would you say?
Hey man, you mean I'm interested with Lengan name It looks dangerous right now.
Yeah. Hey, if it's not dangerous, hey, so far.
Sure.
Yes.
Allah.
Yeah,
wait,
boss.
you have the keys, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, where are the keys?
Oh my god.
We're going to go to the arcade and have fun. And we are going to go eat. Just watch, just enjoy. We're gonna, bro, come this way. Come this way, bro. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.
I
actually gotta go pee.
We are on the roof. Yes, we're on the roof. So where are we going?
I wish I had a time machine.
Not gonna work. It broke! Shit, what did it do? I'll tell her I'm a fluff slot. There's a story. There's a story. There's a simnyama.
Yeah.
The adult 12.
This is ngabonakali.
The adult 12 is terrible.
I wish I had a time machine.
Nigga, let's just hold hands.
Yeah.
Like, let's just hold hands.
This is not gonna.
Tape, Dambo.
No, let's hold hands.
Clearly, you two have never been cuffed. Please give them the menus. Let's see how they survive with menu ordering. Can you recommend something about Sukulang Misha? Bali two, Bali handcuffed one.
Hey man, auntie kabando ukhulumayo. Hey, ubelesele naye.
No, I'm trying to. I'm wondering whether she's holding a phone or a gimbal.
Yeah.
Because it would be weird if she's holding a gimbal.
I think pasta works.
Okay.
I don't think they can eat them separate.
Oh, also pasta. Pasta it is.
Italian bolognese.
Italian bolognese.
We are eating the Italian.
What? Where is it, dog? I don't even know. Oh, I'm suffering. Now she has to take pictures and she keeps on moving my hand. We just ordered food right now.
Like, I'm not gonna lie, these cows look like they're about to break.
They are.
Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay?
My initials are okay, don't you get it?
Oh!
You know, you need those. You know, sometimes
concept them to
I could tell.
demonstrate for slower people.
Oh, I'm slow, man. Now I didn't say this. Now I'm slow, babe. Now I'm slow. Robot.
It's Ovii, Ovii gang, y'all.
How much is a fit? How much is a fit? Yeah.
It's a young 120. You have 40K on the
40K.
Ngikamanga mfanami. Ngikanamanga.
Oh, wait. You play soccer. Away.
Get me. And in here, it's a young.
Okay, let's see.
Price.
Yeah.
It was 900.
Just fine. You don't check the price. All I do is fine.
Away.
These are 1.8.
With the durag and with the braid. Yes, the braid special here.
Ngivumela omunye umfana nibambe ikhanda nje pha kwenziwani la?
Like no Zokada. Like like a nigga's not gonna touch my
Ukubamba ikhanda.
don't sun me.
Aye.
Like don't sun me, nigga.
What just happened?
Nah, it's the
Kaqama.
sun.
Bro, do we look good for each other? We do. No cap. We do. Like a couple. Oh, yeah, this is we couple now. It's official.
I saw the thing on the channel.
We do look good together, man.
Yeah.
What's what do you mean?
Umfaka kweyamajida. You got a pink top. Ungena kule abantu besimame. Wenza mayenukelwa imchamo lapha kumayele nani.
If I would disable since it's unisex.
Hey.
Since it's unisex.
Noma le ingane plus vela ngithi yokulala ngomhlane vele.
Ah, fuck.
Thanks, family. Thanks, family.
Where's the bathroom?
Thanks, family. Family.
Where?
Right next to you.
Oh, here.
Iconography.
You guys stand outside.
This is wild. The food has arrived.
Oh, ekudeni kanje kanti beniyochaba.
Y'all niggas went to go and pee before you ate.
Restaurant bani le.
Like,
Buya sebakhavulele nokudla kwakho Nkosi yami.
we saw that they were trying to make unfunny jokes.
Let me help you.
Get the new Big 6 deal. All
Hey,
for only
cafe.
$29.90. KFC, it's finger licking good.
Hey, white woman ass. He's selling toilet paper. Wait, what? If he's selling a toilet paper,
Oh,
why use a white woman's ass? Jesus Christ.
Kanti kuphi?
You can wipe a white woman's ass with a plaster. It's a plaster.
Ngeke nje uyamuwexa.
Like the umworksa ngayo. Emile futhi.
Ushita bise ke duct tape.
Emile.
Independent what?
We got a wrong thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent.
Cheers. Hey,
Oh, we have to look. Why do we have to look each other in the eyes?
10 years of Big 6.
Okay, I can't afford that. Cheers.
Let's go.
Yes. Aha. This is going good, dog. What?
We survived it.
What?
Except for the part where I had to wash and pee.
You guys can survive a year in a relationship, bro. This is easy, bro.
Have you had a 1-year relationship?
You don't know? Oh, you do that?
manje fanele nidle plate nelodwa noma ibudget yaxaka kwenze njani la?
No, I guess they wanted something that they can both eat. Ngikhathi one.
Yizo bedlisa
Apha ama-roll.
amapizza nje. Mfethu.
I think.
That's what I'm talking about.
Come on. Come on.
This shit means something to me, man.
Real nigga.
Oh, uyacima.
Relax.
What did I like? Why are you being sexy on video? I win.
Relax.
What is happening?
U-anti kabani lo mfazi akho?
Relax.
It must be nice. I'm trying to get like you, my boy.
More, baby, more. That's a lot.
You saw him. What's him?
You saw him. Who's him?
Who's him, bruv?
Who's him, bruv? Who's him, bruv?
Big man ting, yeah?
Big man thing,
Big
yeah?
man ting, yeah? Bonnie and Clyde. Bro, he's giving me big costumes.
You must feel your woman. I can't show my face, guys, because apparently I am feel.
Yeah, no. I can't, but moves on. You know, with my last girlfriend, I posted her and people started going to her stories. People started going into her lives. No, my last girlfriend for us. That's why we broke up. We broke up because people started going to her thingies. And of course, I had to
Jesus
move on
Christ,
very
this is underwhelming.
quick. Stay real.
Doctor, as in, throw ipaluni la.
458
Iplate elodwa.
appetizer, bay 30 rand.
Uba uphuza appetizer, u-antweni.
Yeah, ilokho kabamba naye.
Appetizer red.
Oxtail.
Abantu udle oxtail, umbulele.
Nah.
It's the most expensive thing. It's too cheap.
Yeah, but y'all niggas will fuck before she came in. Y'all niggas are still 258 rand in dents.
258, okay, fair, but uvele wanibaba go-checkmate, oxtail, bah.
A1.
No, 2 rand
But
mfana.
y'all niggas were having pasta.
Letha nale 480 ngizokufakela upetrol ngikubonise nokuthi date yini ke.
Bro, it's changed.
It's changed. I won't lie. Shout out to Layla for paying the bill.
Ngisponzile mfana.
Hey, I just met you. It's crazy, but she's my number.
Let's go.
Ain't got a call for it. She got good brain, no drama. She need a scholarship. Listen to T-Pain from her mama. But she in the car for real. Yeah, nigga, I get the guap for real. Yeah, my baby, but I say let it off for real. Yeah. Ain't got a call for it. She got good brain, no drama. She need a scholarship. Listen to T-Pain from her mama. But she in the car for real. Yeah, nigga, I get the guap for real. Yeah, my baby, but I say let it off for real. So many times I told myself that I was only gonna hit it once. So many times I told lies and I don't know where I got them from. So many doors I got behind me. MIA, you can't find me. Been in some heat today, girl. We gotta fuck with the sheets today. Been a hell of a week, okay. And I've been running from police today. So the I'm from the bus, she gave me a hickey. She told me let's kick it. Then the police pulled a nigga over and gave me a ticket while smoking a spliffy. Yeah. Ain't got a call for it. She got good brain, no drama. She need a scholarship. Listen to T-Pain.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
She in the car for real. Yeah, nigga, I get the guap for real. Yeah, my baby, but I say let it off for real.
Kumshilo ropa nje kalo.
Yeah, yaropa no dot.
Uphule. Tattoo ngokwakho.
Oh, no, yeah, Robert.
Yeah. Ain't got a call for it. She got good grades, no drama. She need a scholarship. Listen to
Yo, I agree.
scholarship. Listen to T-Pain. My mama, when she in the car for real. Yeah, nigga, I get the guap for real. In my bed, but I say let it off for real. Get a bad bitch sitting on me. Tell me a fantasy. Give you all my heart in peace. Baby, just.
Stairs, wrong direction. Stairs. This way, stairs. Kuhle, where did you go? Halkunu janal ka koloi. Oh, mathata ke yo.
Just giving, I don't know, shaman. Okay, guys, this was fun. See you guys in the next episode. Thank you. Bye. No pie.
Okay. Wait, what the fuck? Go on, clean thing. Oh, I got paid.
With your ass. Yeah, looking like a stank up in your ass. I'm not your mommy, nigga.
Since I discovered this tool, my cell phone keeps receiving these notifications all day. Can you see it? Thanks for watching this video. You received 16.
Oh, shit.
The struggle of being in a relationship, guys.
With a clingy person, guys.
I understand.
Yo.
How we gonna change gears?
We have to.
It's a manual. Okay. Catches. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
But let's
Catches.
say bye to the cameraman. If Angela, there was one advice you would give to someone single that's trying to get into a relationship.
Don't try.
Wow.
The problem is you're trying.
Wow.
damn.
No.
Wait,
The
what?
problem is you are trying.
Wait. I'm changing gears now.
Yeah. See, a relationship, this is about to sound corny as hell, but a relationship must come to you. You mustn't be begging for a relationship, because then you're gonna take whatever. The next thing that comes, the next best thing in your eyes that comes, you know?
Yeah.
So if you're just enjoying your single life, which is something that I need.
I love how girls have codes for fair by enjoying your single life. What the fuck does that mean?
What do you mean by that?
I'm joking.
What?
I'm joking. Like, I can't be single.
You can't be single.
I've tried.
Why is that? Like you said, you don't try to be in a relationship, which means a relationship comes to you. So every time a relationship came to you when you were
I wasn't looking for it.
It came to you.
Let me tell you, with me, especially in high school, every time I got out of relationship, okay, that sounds like it was a lot. It wasn't a lot of relationships. But when I got out of relationship, I would tell myself, I'm gonna remain single. Like, I want to stay single, you know? And then I start texting someone, and then we catch feelings.
Basically,
And then we're dating. So,
So, how long does a talking stage usually last?
Yo, I last, Shem.
I last
It's
for
like,
her, nah?
it's like Ovii 60 seconds.
Bro, stop. You know, that would be your best 60 seconds, man.
Yeah, my talking stage has last as long as Ovii.
Okay, guys, so we're back at home. We're at home. This is home. I booked the whole hotel for us. For babe, you understand? So now we're going to sleep. It's 24 hours. We want to complete our 24 hours. So we're going to go sleep. Can you help me take this off?
Imagine being the cameraman tasked to record this whole abortion.
Wait. Don't be rough, babe.
Ooh, that's what he did.
Shouldn't this go like this?
Oh, with your shoes on as well.
Cameraman, shut up!
We're about to complete our 24 hours.
sofa ubonga.
We are on 12 hours. We're gonna sleep for like 12 rounds. 12 hours.
What do you mean by that?
Cameraman, you must lock when you
Yeah. Yeah, that was cool.
Handcuff, Yonaleo.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah.
It was okay. It was okay. Wasn't too exciting, boring, or whatever. Anyways, yeah, that was it. Suggest new videos for us.
Yeah, we comment, send love, send all of the good stuff. Let's play them tandazo. Don't pay for bad spirits. Sorry. Like, subscribe, share. Nabangani benu fake laphiyana konke tshela udadewenu sibe grand isikhule sibe yimbumba excel